Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have BoyWithUke, this time with the guitar. Here, Gordon, and we will play the song Migraine. Alright, so this one is about 5 different chords, but the challenging part here will be the strumming. So yeah, it could give you some migraine there to begin with, but once you get it, you get it. So we're gonna learn this together now. Let's start with the capo set on the 6th fret, okay? Because we want to imitate the high notes here with the easy chords combined. So capo on 6, and let's go over the 5 chords, starting with D minor. All right, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the A sharp sus version here, so you place a bar on the 1st fret, and you bar all strings except for the last here in the bass there, and then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. So there you have your A sharp sus chord there, and we'll take the next bar chord, which is the F. You bar all strings this time on the same 1st fret, and then the rest you need to add is 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then I go for the A7 there in the end, so that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 2nd B, and open E, like this. So D minor, C, A sharp, F, and A7. That's what we're gonna work with. So we have one corporation for the verse and this specific strumming pattern, and then a different for the chorus and another strumming pattern for that one. And that's what we're gonna look at, the different parts, and then you have to put it all together on your own there. So let's start with the verse. The strumming here will be the difficult parts. So we're gonna learn that first. So grab the D minor, that's the 1st chord. All right, so once you got the D minor, we're gonna play down, down, then down, up, okay? Sounds pretty easy. And yeah, it's not that hard anyway, but we're gonna mute the last down, up. So that means you're gonna play the D minor 2 downs first, and then you mute the down, up. Okay? And you can mute in different ways. You can lift off your fingers a little bit and just lean them on top of the strings. So D minor here, and D minor muted, like this, all right? So I just lean my fingers, I don't push them towards the fretboard like this. I'll just lean on top and kill the sound like that. You can also do that in the way that you use your finger, perhaps your little pinky there, and just lean on top in front of your fingers there. Just lean on top like this. Get that muted. So then you can relax or push it down, doesn't matter. If you lean the string in front of these notes pushed down there, it will be muted anyway. So that's different ways of handling the muting part there. So one strumming round will be down, 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 up. And it goes pretty fast as well. We're gonna come to that later. But first, let's take a look at the rest of this playing here in the verse. So you're gonna play D minor, 1 strumming round, then C 1, and then the A sharp 1. And then we'll come to the final 2 chords here. You're gonna play F, you're gonna play down, up, down, no, sorry, just down, up, and then A7, down, up, okay? So slowly it will be like this. Okay, so the last 2 chords, F, down, up, pause, and then A7, down, up, pause. So. and so on. All right, so this is the hardest part of the song. So it will be something like this in tempo. And so on. All right, so that's the verse play. Now let's go over to the chorus. We'll just work with simple down ups here, and I prefer to play one string around as down up, down up. So in that way we don't have to count too many numbers. So one string around is down up, down up, and we'll start with the A sharp there. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that, then F 4 rounds, then A7 4 rounds, then D minor 2, and C2. So one string around was down, up, down, up. So for instance, the A sharp chord will sound like this. Okay, but now you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then F, 2, 3, 4, then A, 2, 3, 4, then D minor, 2, C, 2, and there you have the chorus play. And then you go back again, switch it up a little bit with the rhythm and the new strumming pattern to get the verse. And so on. So that pretty much covers Boy With Uke, Migraine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please let me know and give me some feedback here, comment, or even better, I don't mean better, I like your comments as well, but yeah, subscribe to this channel and support me in that way, and that makes my day. So thank you for your support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.